But thank you so much. Indeed, the community of Ga-Masemola has been up in arms, protesting against the sale of nyaope and crystal in this village. They are complaining that the police are not doing enough to ensure that they keep the sketch of this, drug addiction in this area, and they are not arresting people who are actually, selling nyaope to their kids here. But I want to bring in some of the community members here. I'm now joined here by Mayor Ellen Maputa. Thank you so much for joining us here on SABC News. Let's talk about the challenge of nyaope in this village. Just take us through, how is it affecting the community here?
Nyaope and crystal is affecting the community very badly because it is easy to access nyaope here in Ga-Masemola because the police are not doing their job. So anybody can come and buy, it's just fine with them. And the thing is, we are losing things at home. I have a son that smokes, so everything, they buy anything that our children give them. There's nothing that they take back. They say, no, this one we can't buy. They buy everything. We have nothing at home, nothing. I went to a funeral. When I came back, there was no battery for the garage door. So that's how much it is killing us. It is killing us physically, spiritually. We are no more sleeping. Because when you are asleep, you are wondering, is he coming back? Or they are going to call me, they say he fell somewhere and he's dead. So there are many children that we are burying every weekend who are using nyaope and crystal, and they don't care. The police don't care. We call them to come to our meetings. They never come to our meetings, but they go to the nyaope dance and they stand there and barricade the place and protect them. We call them as a community. We call meetings. They never. The police is supposed to work with the community. They must call the meetings also, but they never call a meeting. So that's how much it is affecting us. We have lost hope. We have lost trust with the police of Ga-Masemola.
You are complaining about the police station because it's just here, just few meters away from where we are standing here. And what is your message to perhaps the provincial police commissioner and to the message to the national police management, like the minister of police and the national police commission?
Okay, they have dedicated people to come to us on Monday. So the one who came with his group, it was Mr. Skiepers. He promised to work with us. And we are putting trust in the police because we don't want anyone to die. We just want the nyaope to be kept, to be gone here in Ga-Masemola. We are not fighting a person, but we are fighting nyaope and crystal. That's all we are asking for. So the police have promised us that they are going to work with us hand in hand. So that's why we say we are putting our trust in them.
Thank you so much for joining us here on SABC. Mama, I just want to bring in one of the young people here, particularly because this nyaope is really affecting young people. I'm now going to talk to Karabelo Mukine. Thank you so much for joining us here on SABC. We understand that these nyaope and crystal are mostly, affecting young people. Just take us through, how is this really destroying the lives of the young people here?
The nyaope, it's really destroying us. I am a young entrepreneur myself. I'm a victim from nyaope, because they once came to my salon and they stole from me. What I did, I went to the police and opened a case, and the police gave me a case number. After some few days, I received a message said my case has been declined because there's lack of evidence. What they did is that they came, I went there around 5 in the morning when I realized that they have broke to my salon. After that, they came around 9 to check. You go to them at 5, they come in 9. It's almost 4 hours after the incident. But the ones that they said they're gonna come for fingerprints, they came at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. So I was really disappointed, but I carried on believing that they're gonna find them. Unfortunately, they did not have enough evidence, as they have said. So I'm asking myself that if we are trying to develop our own community by opening businesses to try to feed ourselves, because there's no jobs, but yet now the people, they are coming and destroying that, and the police themselves, they are not helping us with that. So I'm really disappointed by the police and the people who are selling this nyaope, because of we can't go out there and ask people to come and help us. We as the young community, as the community as a whole, we have to help ourselves. That's why we are here. And you can ask yourself, why are there only women here? Because we no longer have men and guys here. they are all dead because of nyaope. And the people who are killing our brothers are the same people who are here. You can find one of them in here sitting with us. They are listening and then trying to say, no, those people are stupid. We are not stupid. We are ahead. Because we can't provide ourselves. We can't even be free at our own houses. I'm working outside. Last week, I was out to find that they came in my house again for the second time. They stole. I found my room up and down. They were looking for money. The same money that I'm working so hard, not sleeping, not getting some time to rest, not having time to go and be young as I am. But they are coming to take it just to buy small thing like nyaope. It's a very small thing and it's a very quick. So I'm very disappointed, and because of this nyaope, we are not going anywhere as young.
And then you mentioned that this nyaope is sold by your fellow community members here. What is your message to them? And I also heard you saying that some of them might be around us here. What's the message to them?
The message to them, even though I can say, stop it, we are tired, it's enough, but still they're not gonna hear it. You know why? Because their kids are not affected by this thing. They tell their kids not to smoke this, but they're giving it to our brothers and sisters. They're giving it to our own people that they're going to help us in the future to develop our own community. So I'm saying to them, you can not stop it, but we are asking you, leave our community, because it looks like it's giving you something that we are not gaining ourselves. So go and have it outside where maybe they are needing it, because we don't want it here. We are tired of nyaope and crystal.
Karabelo, thank you so much for talking to us here on SABC News. That is one of the community members here. And I can tell you that the community here in Ga-Masemola, they want all those who are selling nyaope to be evicted from this village, because they're saying that this is really, escalating the level of crime in this area. People are no longer safe. Young kids are being, robbed on daily basis, and women are getting raped here in this village because of the sale and the use of nyaope and crystal in this area. But for now, let's get back to you in studio.